In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show bid and ask price lines in TradingView. By the end, you'll see the live bid and ask levels right on your chart, which can help you understand where buyers and sellers are meeting in real time. First, open your browser and go to tradingview.com. You can follow along on the free version, and if you're signed in, your settings will carry over between sessions. Keep in mind that certain markets require real-time data subscriptions, so if your lines don't appear as expected, it could be due to data permissions for that exchange. Next, look to the right side of the screen for your watch list and pick the symbol you want to analyze. Just click the ticker you're interested in, and TradingView will load that instrument's price chart. Now click full chart so you're working in the main charting layout. This gives you the full set of tools and the space you need to see the bid and ask lines clearly. Once the chart is open, right-click anywhere on the chart area. A context menu will appear with several options that control how your chart looks and behaves. From that menu, click Settings. This opens the chart settings window where you can fine-tune everything from appearance to trading tools. We're going to focus on the options that control price display on the scales and the lines that appear across your chart. Inside the settings window, click Scales and Lines. This section manages what price information shows up on the axis and within the chart, including the bid and ask presentation. It's the central place to enable or hide real-time price references. Find the bid and ask area and click the drop down. You'll see controls related to how those levels are displayed. Enable value and line. Turning on value adds the current bid and ask prices to your price scale so you can read the exact numbers at a glance. Enabling line draws horizontal lines across the chart at those levels, making it easy to see where price is trading relative to buyers and sellers. As soon as you toggle these on, the changes should apply immediately. If you like, you can adjust styling such as colors and line thickness in the same area to make the levels stand out against your chart background. That's it. You've added the bid and ask price lines to your TradingView chart. If you only want one of them visible, you can toggle them individually in the same menu. And remember, if the lines don't show up, check your data settings for that market. Thanks for watching and happy charting.